What up, everybody? Doing the rear brake pads. Steel pistons. One side down. The brake pads. They're pretty thin. Pretty thin. Yeah, I'm done with this side. I'm gonna get to the other side and we'll be right back. All right, everybody. Got this side done. These are the brake pads from that side, from this side right here. You can see the little clip right here broke off. It goes to right here. Yeah, they're pretty thin. Garbage. New OEM brake pads. I've already put the brake light switch on. Let me see if I have that. I can show you guys. I think I have it still. I gotta look for it. Huh. I gotta go in the house and get it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's that the old brake light switch connector. You can see it's all melted. Got all melted right here, got a little bubble. And then that bad brake light switch caused this to melt. So this is garbage too. I already got the new brake light switch, the new harness with it. One day at a time. One day at a time. I should have the serpentine belt coming in later on today. When it gets here, I'll bring you guys back and we'll throw it on. But I'm done with the brake pads. I'm done with the rear side. This side is done. Got this side taken care of. Just gotta pick up my mess. I should do it. I'm gonna go, once I get everything up together, I'm gonna go take it for a ride. Break in these brake pads. And that should do it. Well, I'm just gonna go ahead and close out this video. And I'll bring you guys back when I get that belt. We'll go from there. You guys take it easy. See you later.